My name's Jar Rodriguez and I'm a part of Group2. This week I've been working on implementing the the feedback that we received from our cognitive walkthroughs and user evaluations. Right now I'm working on actually making the pie chart clickable so that users can actually click on the labels and receive more information or get taken to different places on either Twitter or the extension itself, just to make it a little bit more intuitive to use. I'm also taking a look at actually deployment, either if we will publish on Chrome Store, I believe, but deployment specifically on GitHub just so that people can take the code from there. I've also made changes to the buttons and links that we've been using to actually save the state so that users can actually return to the pages they were previously viewing, as well as a few more parameters so that we can actually track a few things that it's going on within the extension.
Hi, I'm Lin from Group2. So this week I fixed issues from last week where blurring feature wasn't applying to video advertisement, and also added a overlay text to the blurring feature to tell user what was going on about the blurring in case user get confused. And then we received feedback on the Chrome extension from Professor Andrea. So we discussed the possible solution, and we decided to modify the pie chart to include links directing user to relevant Twitter page. And another issue addressed is the case to consider the pie chart number needs a reset function, so I'm working on that. And for website, I made dark pattern cards on the page dynamically clickable, and so working on the details of each page, and also added attributes section to address copyright of image and icon, and also fix the light and the dark mode of the website. So this is for this week. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ashish, D231272120, Group 2 Dark Patterns Detection. So this week I refined the project report template according to the feedback that my group members gave, and I've also sent it out to Professor Andrea and gotten a partially positive feedback on this. Hopefully, with the little tweaks and little changes, it'll be good enough for us to build on that. Been also trying to implement the RSS feed for the website, but that would mean introducing a server-side language and a database. We're not sure if we have enough time for that. Gonna see about that. Other than that, just building on the emotional steering according to the user evaluation, trying to build on that. That's about it for this week. The main emphasis is going to be on report building, definitely. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Habib Abdul Hamid and my student number is C1936781. I'd like to update you on my recent work on the obstruction dark pattern detection UI. I've been working on the feature/obstruction branch in our team's GitHub repository. I initially made a small mistake by working on the EML user interface instead, but thanks to a teammate's correction, I quickly got back on track. Fortunately, resetting the changes and adapting my work to the obstruction UI wasn't too challenging. I completed the initial version and presented it to the team during our early Wednesday meeting at 10 a.m. After incorporating a few minor modifications based on feedback, I successfully committed the work. Currently, I'm focusing on two aspects: refining the obstruction part to generate more user-friendly outputs, and exploring the possibility of implementing an accessibility feature called bionic reading. These enhancements aim to improve user experience and make our UI more inclusive.
Hi, this is Judging from Group2. So this week we keep continue improving the Chrome extension, try to improve the pages of the UI based on the advices from our mentor and also from the user evaluation. We improved the function of EML as well. And for the documentation, we are doing the final report draft. And for my personal part, I improved the infinite scrolling function, make it work with the counting numbers, and the number is updated on the result page of the extension as well. So it will have more information for the users to check. And also I merged the function to the main extension to make it work with the other functions seamlessly. Yeah, that's all for this week. Thank you.